Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Born Pretty Stop Us and Bundle Monsters Special FX BM XL 456. Have you ever had this happen? It looks like it got embossed like on a stamping plate. I didn't know what to do with it, so I took it off and just that one finger, and I have painted all of them just straight over that stamped manicure that I had with this polish. And I'm just putting 2 coats of this orange Stop Us over the top of everything. I wore that manicure one day to work, and with the embossed look on that middle nail, I couldn't take it. And here we go. We're going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Going to seal this one down so we can play on it again. Since that orange didn't look that orange on the stamping, I decided I wanted to see what it looked like as a full manicure. And it is very orange, like it is in the bottle, if you do a full manicure with it. Orangelicious. I'll be using Special FX BM XL 456. It's got some funky images on it. And today I will be using, starting off with the, I've got my AliExpress stamper, my beauty scraper as usual. I'll be using this Maniology black stamping polish. I will be changing here a little bit. This one's called Straight Up Black. It was a recent purchase of mine. I'm going to have to play with it on some other stamping plates and with other stampers, because right now I'm not too crazy about it. So we will continue testing it other ways. So I'm just going to pick 5 different images off of this plate to play with on this manicure. And it looks like it bled too much, or it's too muddy or something. So I'm definitely going to try, different stampers. Bless me. Different stampers, different scrapers, different stamping plates. That's what you have to do when you have problems with something. You got to try them. Don't give up on them immediately. You got to give them a try in all kinds of different ways. So I'm just not really pleased with it. I am going to give it one more shot here up in this corner. And I'm just having issues. And I don't know what they are, so I'll have to keep messing with it. This image is really cool. And then I stamp it on my nail, and it just looks like a bloody mess. A black bloody mess. So I'm like, oh no, can't do this. So I'm going to just take this off. Still kind of fresh, because remember I just repainted this nail already. I should have just left it blank and called that my accent nail, you know what I'm saying? But, so I'm going to, while I'm finishing up the rest of the nails, I will be, working on recovering that one in base coats and coats of white and coats of orange and top coat to get them back. See, that's just not making me happy, y'all. So we're going to change to some Braves Diva on the black, because I've never had a problem out of this stamping polish. It works for everything, on everything. I like products that work that way. Now, I'm not trying to diss some Maniology, because you guys know I love Maniology stuff. I really do. I have been in love with them since they were Bundle Monster way back when I first got into nails. But right now we're having a struggle bus with this one. So I'm going back to that image that I loved so much with the Braves Diva. And if you can hear a lawnmower, I apologize. Got to do what you got to do. And we got to get the yard cut because it's fixing to rain. So here we go with this beautiful image. I love this image. It's distressed. It's funky. And it's my thing. I love it. Digging it. Alright, so I'm cleaning that whole plate off with some acetone and a paper towel. Clean off my little mat too. That's how I clean my mat off. I don't know if I've ever showed that. Then I check it and pull the mat up, and there's just a little bit more. I like to put my toys away clean. Cleaning that little scraper card, so it's ready for my next playtime. I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and get up any little extras that have, gotten where I don't want them. And now we're going to clean up with some acetone real quick. Got out that like unicorn looking crazy brush. And I am topping this one with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, which I am completely in love with. Love it, love it. And then now for some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Big, nice, thick, glossy, fast-drying top coat. One of those things that just makes you happy. Because who wants to spend all this time on your nails and then have to wait forever for them to dry? Not me. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There he is. So there we go. We got our orange and black mani. We're totally ready to rock some summer colors. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.